Open Opportunities is a work and task sharing platform designed to promote cross-divisional collaboration, communication, and personal skill development in a voluntary, open virtual work environment. In traditional workplace models, jobs and tasks are simply handed down from the top day to day. Now, we all secretly hope that our personal passions, skill sets, and interests line up with what we're given to do. And more often than not, we truly excel and feel a sense of personal fulfillment when they do. We get to exercise our talents, develop skills that we may have a growing interest in, and feel a sense of real contribution and value to our teams and work groups, knowing that we've allowed our strengths to shine. Open Opportunities is a work task platform designed to deliver this experience. Essentially, Open Opportunities is a virtual bulletin board of tasks, projects, or even project fragments offered up for state workers to take on voluntarily based on their interests and skill sets. Under this format, any program can post a task and any user can participate. To get this started participating in the platform, I want to create a profile by clicking on Sign In and then create an account. Now I've already created an account, so I'll just go ahead and sign in with mine. Now when I create a profile, I can say a bit about myself, my career field, my organization, my work location, my email, and I can upload a picture of myself and a short bio to let the community know a little about who I am and perhaps my career goals and interests. Under skills and interests, I can add keywords or tags that help tailor my searches for tasks and projects to my personal strengths or areas of interests. The opportunities section of my profile tracks the tasks and projects that I've created, taken on, or participated in, as well as their status and any updates. My profile also creates award badges. It creates and awards badges, based on my participation in and contribution to the platform. The more tasks that I create or complete, the more badges I'm awarded, letting others know that I'm involved and active in the platform and a reliable potential participant or collaborator for tasks and projects. Now to get started exploring available opportunities, I want to navigate back to the home screen. The home screen includes recent announcements and achievements by Open Opportunities users and allows me to search for opportunities by career field, skill, or location. Another section, See Other People Like You, helps me to network with others in my agency or with similar job titles. Now from the home page, I can select either Search Opportunities or View All Opportunities to be taken to the main repository of posted tasks. From this page, I can see and scroll through uploaded opportunities at a glance. Each posted task has a quick snapshot, overview card with its title, description, location, time frame, keywords and tags, creator info, and current status. To help me navigate the posted tasks and find the ones that I want, I also have a filter menu here on the right where I can search for opportunities by status, skill, career field, series, time commitment, or location. Now, perhaps I have a particular talent for designing web pages. I can search for that skill, web design, and get tasks that have been tagged with those keywords. Clicking on a task that looks like something I might want to take on, I'm taken to a more fleshed out overview of what that task or project is going to entail. I can get a detailed description of the work I'll be doing and the skills necessary, as well as the organization or the work group that posted it. If everything looks good, I can hit Apply to the task, and I'm going to get a final confirmation box confirming my participation in the task. I have my supervisor's approval to take on this work. I'm a California State employee. I'm able to work in the required location if the task requires me in person. And when I click Submit My Name, the task creator or poster gets a notification that I've applied to the task, and pending their approval, I'll be able to work on the task.